happy Friday. I'm coming to you with another unboxing from Curlbox, and this is my January Curlbox. So let's get into this, see what's in it. Alright, so they're titling this the Detox Box. This one is full of products from OGX. Now, like always, if you want to get your own curl box, make sure you go to curlbox.com. I have another box of full-size items. First item I have here is a purifying charcoal detox shampoo from OGX. Ooh, and when I look at the back of this, you probably can't see it here, but I can see the charcoal in here. So it says it will help bust through the buildup and rescue dull congested tresses for a deep clean. And it does say it's not stripping, so that's good, and it's supposed to leave shine. So we'll find out on my wash day, which is tomorrow, when I use this product. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so, because I'll probably include the wash day and my product review all in one video, and that will probably be the next one. So next item I have here is the purifying charcoal detox conditioner. Again, this is infused with coconut charcoal and kaolin clay. It sounds like this is how the entire line is made up for this particular product line through OGX. I have tried some OGX products before, and it was towards the beginning of my going back to natural journey. I think it was a caffeine and biotin line of OGX. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I no longer have the bottles of the products, but you know, if there's something like that, let me know. So anyway, with this conditioner, it says to go ahead and apply this generously to the hair and wait about 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. And it's supposed to detox. It's like a detox for your hair. So it'll be interesting to see if this is moisturizing or not. And you know, it does have kaolin in it as well. When I'm looking through here, I don't see much for oils in this, which is normally what I look for in a conditioner. We'll give it a try. We'll see how it does. But like I always do when it comes to product reviews, you guys, I'm honest. So I would stay tuned for that if I were you. Like I said, make sure you're subscribed. Next item I have here is the finishing mist. It says it's for locking plus coconut curls. Soft hold without crunch, yes please, with coconut oil and jasmine extract. Curls hold bounce without the stickiness. We will see. Okay, so it's basically a holding spray, and it seems that a lot of natural hair care lines, or lines in general, are coming out with these finishing mists or something of that sort. And if you've seen my last couple of wash days or Curlbox unboxings, you'll see that there was a finishing mist. I think Cantu had one. Who else? I know Lotta Body has one, so we'll have to try it out. So I guess use that instead of using a gel. Next item I have here is the Hydrate and Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. You can leave in or rinse out. So I assume if you rinse out, you can use it more like a hair mask or deep conditioner. Okay, so are there any oils in this? Coconut oil is in it, soybean oil, shea butter. Okay, there's some silk amino acids in here. Okay. It does have mineral oil in it though. You guys, we will see. If any of you guys have received this same Curlbox and have used this particular product line, you know, I'm interested in finding out how you feel it is as far as moisture goes. Okay, it's pretty soft. I won't get into a full product review quite yet. Okay, and last item I have here is the Locking Plus Coconut Curls Air Dry Cream. It says no blow dry needed. Strands air dry soft with coconut oil and shea butter. This creamy blend helps curls hold bounce without crunch. Okay, so we have 2 items here for hold without the crunch. Air dry cream. Not sure why it's called that. It may be that it's lighter and not heavy, so it helps your hair air dry faster. Okay, and seems like it will hold the curls but still allow bounce. So we'll see about this. And what does it have in it? Looking at the ingredients here, I mean, coconut oil is all over the place and shea butter, but kind of concerned on how moisturizing it will be in the winter time. It is still winter, you guys, and next wash is my clarifying wash, which is tomorrow. So I think this will help clarify. I'm just not sure about what will happen in terms of moisture. So stay tuned for my wash day using these products. I'll probably do a twist out or something like that. But that's all I have for you guys. So if you have any questions or if you've used this, let me know in the comments. Make sure you do subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll talk to you roses later. Bye.